is that bad. See? One gerbil corn long.
Me? Pick up a gerbil corn? I don't think so. Okay. Oh, this feels nice.